Welcome, everyone, to our new vocabulary class.
A class I find delicious.
Today we will learn words about food and drinks. Let's start with some common drinks. Please repeat after me. Water. Water. Coffee. Coffee. Tea. Tea. Green tea. Green tea. Herbal tea. Herbal tea. Milk. Milk.
My turn. Juice. Juice. Soda. Soda. Lemonade. Lemonade. Smoothie. Smoothie. Milkshake. Milkshake. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. Iced tea. Iced tea.
Very good. Now for some dairy products. Cheese. Cheese. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese. Butter. Butter. Yogurt. Yogurt. Whipped cream. Whipped cream. Ice cream. Ice cream.
My turn again. Sour cream. Sour cream. Margarine. Margarine. Kefir. Kefir.
Excellent practice. We will continue in the next part. Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue our lesson. In this part, we will focus on different types of meat. Ready, Eddy?
Always ready for this topic.
Let's begin. Beef. Beef. Pork. Pork. Chicken. Chicken. Turkey. Turkey. Lamb. Lamb. Duck. Duck.
My turn. Let's get specific. Bacon. Bacon. Ham. Ham. Sausage. Sausage. Salami. Salami. Steak. Steak.
Great, now let's move from the land to the sea. Let's talk about seafood. Salmon. Salmon. Tuna. Tuna. Trout. Trout. Cod. Cod.
I'll take these. Shrimp. Shrimp. Crab. Crab. Lobster. Lobster. clams, clams, oysters, oysters, scallop, scallop, squid, squid, octopus, octopus, caviar, caviar.
Fantastic job. Join us in the next part to continue. Welcome to part 3. This time let's learn about grains and bread.
The foundations of many meals.
Exactly. Let's start with grains. Rice, rice, wheat, wheat, oats, oats, corn, corn, quinoa, quinoa. Now what we make from them?
My turn. Bread, bread, pasta, pasta, noodles, noodles, crackers, crackers, oatmeal, oatmeal, flour, flour, cereal, cereal, bagel, bagel.
Very good. Now for the last group, legumes, split peas, split peas, green peas, green peas, chickpeas, chickpeas, soybeans, soybeans, black beans, black beans, red beans, red beans, kidney beans, kidney beans, pinto beans, pinto beans, red lentils, red lentils. Well done with this part. Let's meet in the next one. Hello again. Welcome to part 4. In this section, we will cover nuts, seeds, and snacks.
Small things, but very important.
Indeed. Eddie, would you like to start with the nuts?
With pleasure. Peanut, peanut, almond, almond, cashew, cashew, walnut, walnut, pistachio, pistachio, hazelnut, hazelnut, pecan, pecan, coconut, coconut.
Excellent. Now for the seeds. Sunflower seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, flax seeds, sesame seeds, sesame seeds, and finally some snacks. My turn. Popcorn, popcorn, cookie, cookie, muffin, muffin, chips, chips, pretzel, pretzel, pancake, pancake, waffle, waffle. Great work, just one more part to go. See you in the final part. Welcome to the final part of our food vocabulary lesson. Let's begin with some prepared meals. Jam, jam. Honey, honey. Toast, toast. Sandwich, sandwich. Hamburger, hamburger. Cheeseburger, cheeseburger. Salad, salad. Soup, soup. Spaghetti, spaghetti. Pizza, pizza. Burrito, burrito. Fries, fries. Sushi, sushi. Onion rings, onion rings.
And now, my favorite part. Desserts. Chocolate, chocolate. Candy, candy. Cake, cake. Pudding, pudding. Brownie, brownie. Pie, pie. Donut, donut. Lollipop, lollipop. Marshmallow, marshmallow.
And that concludes our lesson. You have learned over 100 words. Congratulations.
Eddy's insight. Learning many words is good. Using a few of them well is true wisdom.
Wise words, Eddy. If you enjoyed our lesson, please like and subscribe. See you next time.